Hello guys, welcome to Tenorshare ReiBoot version 9.0 guide video. In this episode, we'll show you how to factory reset your iPhone. Let's go! First, connect your iOS device to the Mac. Then launch ReiBoot, and you can find the reset device option. Click it. Here you can see two options. Let's look at the first function. Factory reset will erase all your data and put your iPhone return to factory settings. So remember, back up your device before. Then tap factory reset. ReiBoot requires you to download the latest iOS version firmware. Make sure you have a stable network and click download. Be patient. Once the download is complete, click on Start Reset and it will warn you all data will be erased after reset again. Click Reset if you are sure. The whole factory reset process will take about 10 minutes. Once done, it will show you the reset process is completed. Now you can set up your device as a new one. That's it. For more tutorials, you can subscribe to us or go to tenorshare.com. See you in the next video.